I'm excited to introduce the M18 dual battery blower. As you can see, great performance of this tool, and I want you to remember 3 characteristics about it. The first one being that it has high constant power throughout the entire battery discharge. That means there's no drop in performance when the battery runs lower, giving you 17.7 newtons, 233 kilometers an hour, and 17 cubic meters per minute. The second feature being that it has full throttle in under 1 second, and you can actually hear it when you use the tool. Full power straight away. And finally, let's look at the third point, and that is ergonomics. We have a variable speed trigger that reacts to your finger. But not only that, a lever at the front where you can set your setting which you require, especially great for those long-term applications, allowing you to move your hand along the handle for much better weight distribution, but giving you the full power when you need it, so that and reverting back to your original setting. This gives you also the optimum runtime of the tool because there's no excess power. And finally, a secondary handle, giving you the much greater ergonomics in those tight spaces, getting into those corners, and that better weight distribution in those difficult applications when you have that secondary handle. And much greater when you want to think about transport and you hook the tool up in your van, for example. Thank you very much, and now let's look at the tool in action.